Right across from City Hall is this giant river in Sejong. Almost everyone knows it. This past year they built this really cool bridge that goes all the way around in a giant circle and crosses the river to the other side. Now along the rivers are these really cool bike paths, and I've been down below. That's 2 layers. One is a bike loop underneath, which is a great escape from the sun and the heat of summer. But this top part is actually a walking area too, and it's filled with a lot of cool things to look at. And way up high on the very top is actually an observatory to look down at the river. So today I'm gonna go on an adventure and show you around this river, this bridge. Oh, also underneath this side, the Arboretum side has a skate park. But across the river, closer to City Hall, they actually have a water park underneath. All right, let's go. So the walking path up to the very top is actually closed, probably because we've had a lot of snow and ice. So beware of that on snowy and icy days. The rest is dried off mostly, but they have this tree of life sitting here. It's a fake tree. It's just always gonna look gorgeous. Usually pretty fun for the kiddos to climb inside and play around in. And they have a bunch of chairs out here and tables. Alright, I think I'm gonna go around this way and check out the giant wishing flowers over here. Actually, before I go walking, look at this view. The water is just so pretty. This is one of my favorite things about living in Sejong. So many bike trails all along the water. Cute little animals. You can see some ducks out there. I oftentimes see deer and snakes in the summer, which is pretty fun for me. I actually really enjoy seeing them. There's nothing quite like taking off your jacket on a wintry day and doing a nice yoga pose. So Sejong shimmers. Ooh, check this out. Guys, there's a giant xylophone or silapon or whatever you want to call it here. I'm gonna go play some music. So let's be real for a second. Sometimes emergencies happen. I love how Korea has all the safety things. Over there is where I started. I've made it halfway around the loop. It's about half a mile so far. The water is as still as can be, but there's a lot of ducks playing around down there. Oh, and a crane. Hello, friends. This little section is called the Seesaw of Light. Looks like a fun area for kids, and it looks like it leads into some more fun over here. You've got some fun things to hop on. Stars! Oh, how cute. Let's hop on these. Do you think grown-ups are allowed to climb on that, or do I have to have a kid with me as an excuse? I spy solar panels. Nice, eco-friendly. There's also an elevator right there. Say, for example, I come on my bicycle. I'll leave my bike down below, but I can always take an elevator or stairs up. And that way I can enjoy coming up here, enjoy the gorgeous view. Sit down. Oh, there's the water park over there. There are 5 of these swings. I don't want to bother anyone. So what's my review on this as a foreigner? I guess, you know, it's a beautiful place to walk. A lot of places to sit. There's a giant parking lot. I think this is a great place to just go and connect with nature, to get a little walk in, get some exercise. It was officially 1.09 miles, so you can get a nice mile in. Just enjoy the sun and the picture zones and everything.